back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a real life review of the Mi Soundbar. Now this is a multi-purpose speaker. Actually, according to me, it's multi-purpose. It's not only for the TV because it's got a lot of input options. So we'll be looking at the input options available. We'll be talking about the limitations. We'll be talking about the speaker itself. There's something different about this soundbar which people are not talking about. We'll be talking about that. We'll be talking about who is this for, is it worth the price, and in comparison to other similar kind of product or other products which are meant for TVs, is this good enough? So we'll be talking about all of that. Now I have used this for almost a year. I actually had the white version before. I sold that and then I bought this one. So both of them are the same, just that the color is different. I didn't want to use the white. Looked good, just that it gets dirty a lot, so that's something that you have to remember. The black one gets less dirty. Even the mesh over here is not going to get dirty that soon. So let's go ahead and start the review. Let's talk about the key specification. Now this has a frequency response of 50 Hz to 25,000 Hz. It weighs only 1.92 kg, so it's actually pretty light. You can actually put it wall mounted and don't have to worry about this falling. There's not a lot of vibration in this. We'll be talking about that now itself. It has Bluetooth 4.2. You have a lot of connection options. I'll be showing you that right now. Now let's talk about the speakers itself. Now this has 8 speakers built into it, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So you have left and right channel, 2 left and right channel in this. Now out of them, 4 of them are coiled speakers. So you have one tweeter over here, 20 mm tweeter over here, 20 mm tweeter over there. You have a 2.5 inch woofer over here, 2.5 inch woofer over there, and between that you have 2 passive radiators here and 2 passive radiators over here. You can't see it because it's all covered. There's a mesh on it. Now passive radiators are basically non-coiled speakers. So what they do is, in a sealed box you put passive radiators. So they are basically membranes which vibrate. So it takes the vibration that's created by the other speakers and creates bass. So you would have seen this technology on JBL Flip series. All of them have those passive radiators on the sides, so they vibrate and create bass. So you've actually seen how good the sound is. So you're going to expect a similar kind of sound with this. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the speaker itself. Now this is completely made of plastic. Now the corners are all rounded, so even if you have children at home, you don't have to worry about them hitting this and getting hurt. So it's rounded from all the sides. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons: volume down, volume up. You have the Bluetooth input, aux in, line in, SPDIF in, and optical in. So all you have to do is press them and then it'll go to that channel. Now at the back you have the power button, the DC in, optical, SPDIF, line in, and aux. So you have that many options to connect it to the TV or any other device. Okay, now let's go ahead and listen to the sound itself. Now first we'll try the speaker. So it's on the Bluetooth option. I've connected it through Bluetooth. Let's open up one of my videos so that I don't get any copyright issues. I'll open that. Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an accessory video for the Mi Box 4K. So we will be installing a Bluetooth. Okay, so I'll stop that. Now I'll go to the TV sound now. Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be accessory. Hopefully you can hear the difference. The TV sound, the TV sound lacks a lot of bass. You have vocal, but it's little trebly. Now that's the good part about the speaker. So this speaker actually has 4 speakers on each side, 2 coiled and 2 passive radiators. The passive radiators actually do a pretty good job. It uses the vibration created by the other 2 coiled ones and create good bass. Now they have 2 separate sized passive radiators so that you can so that they can actually customize the bass in such a way that it actually sounds natural. So the sound coming from here is actually much richer, fuller, natural bass, natural sound, and you can actually hear the lyrics very crisp and clear. So what's my opinion about this? So in the starting, when I actually purchased this, I was not really impressed with this because I'm used to speakers which have low end bass. But then one problem that I had with those speakers are that I can only use it in the daytime when people are awake. So it does not disturb people because it creates a lot of low end bass. So there's a lot of vibration. The glasses vibrate, everything vibrates. So that I cannot use in the night. So in the night, I end up using earphones, I end up using the TV speaker because that is not going to overpower everything. It's not going to give a lot of sound and vibrate everything and wake up my parents, wake up the neighbors, call the cops. So those things will not happen. So because of that, I ended up using my home theater less. So all the 6.1, 5.1, 7.1, 2.1, all these things are only useful when you are using it yourself. Personally, my parents don't like those speaker system because it's too loud, too overpowering, too much of bass. So for them, it's not good. I like it, but they don't like it. So if you want a family speaker, a speaker which you can enjoy, your family can enjoy, you can use it in the daytime and in the night time, then this is the best option. Why? Because it's for 4,999. It's not that expensive. They were able to create a natural bass. So once you start using it, you'll get used to that bass. After that, the home theater system, all the 7.1 surround sound and the subwoofers actually sound a little overpowering once you get used to this. But this is one speaker which you will be satisfied with. You will not be it's not going to be a party speaker where you put this and then the entire neighborhood can hear it. It's not going to be one of those, but it does get loud enough. It's not going to be too loud. So if I compare it with other soundbars, this is not as loud as that, but it's got decent sound, good sound quality, and basically for the price, I think it's an all-rounder. And 1 year has gone by and the speaker is still going on. No creaks, no vibrations, because most of the cheap speakers generally with this vibration, because there's a lot of vibration being manipulated over here, with that much of vibration, normally these kind of devices, they give way, the screws will get a little loose, the speaker will start making a sound, the body will start vibrating, all those things happen. But with this, nothing. It's excellent. So good build quality, good sound quality, and for the price, there's nothing in comparison to this. But if you're looking for something which is going to give you more fuller sound, more surround sound, if you want a separation between the left channel, right channel, back, the front, then I will advise go for a speaker system. Even a regular computer speaker, you get good computer speakers now with one subwoofer and two speakers, or maybe four speakers, or maybe six speakers, whatever. So you get those systems which are similarly priced, and you will get more surround sound with it. Now this is a no mess, no installation issue kind of a all-in-one speaker which you just put in and forget it. So you don't have to do many things, only one wire connected. Right now I just have a power adapter and it's connected with Bluetooth. If you are using a wire, then just one wire going there. So it's easy to use, easy to install, so anyone can use it. So that way this will be good. So it's your choice. What do you want? Don't expect a home theater surround sound experience with this, because this is a soundbar. Soundbars with subwoofer give you a little more of that low end bass feel, so that's a little more better. But then they are nothing less than 10,000, so you have to choose between that. So that's basically it. That's all that I have to say for this speaker. If you have any questions, do comment and I'll reply back to them. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.